my name is Alexys Barfield. I am currently a junior here at Central State University. My major is early childhood education, and I earned my CDA in high school. My school just hosted a career fair, and I just spoke to 3 different school districts, mentioned to them that I had my CDA, and they was just like, whoa. They was like, yes. They was like, okay, well, we need to know when you graduate because we want you, because you have this certificate and we know that, you're ready and you're willing to work with students. So that's about the best thing that has happened so far. I have a younger brother. We are 10 years apart. And after my mom had him, and I was like, okay, so now I gotta help my mom. So it's just like me teaching him like how to do like basic stuff, like how to put on his clothes, how to take off his clothes, how to put his shoes on the right feet, how to read, how to do math, how to write his name. It's just like those little moments. I was just like, oh my God. I'm like, man, like kids are smart. And I'm like, well, what if, by the time my brother was 5 and he went off to kindergarten, he was the only student in his kindergarten class that was able to write clearly his first and last name. That was my light bulb moment right there, because I'm like, oh man, I can get, if I got one kid that can do this, what if I could get a whole classroom full of kids to do this? I would definitely tell them, go for it. And they might not see it now, like it might not be beneficial now. And I understand, like, it is a lot of work. I know. I know. It's a lot of paperwork. It is very beneficial, and you guys can do it. And I'm telling you, the opportunities with it is definitely mind-blowing and life-changing. I would definitely say get your CDA. So I'll say do it.